Not knowing the rules of the road is a fatal mistake. Hello, I'm Vasya Driving Instructor. Join our club and drive safely and without fines. Today, we will practice the task of intersections with road signs. Right-of-way is a legal term that determines who has the right to go first in a particular traffic situation, such as at an intersection, roundabout, or parking lot. Understanding and obeying the right-of-way is essential for safe and efficient driving and can help prevent accidents and collisions on the road. In this video, you can test your knowledge of right-of-way in one of the most common situations. Please look at this picture on the screen. It shows two cars approaching an intersection at the same time. The red car wants to go straight, and the blue car wants to turn left. Which car has the right-of-way? i.e., which car has the right to go first? Option A, the blue car. Option B, the red car. I will give you 10 seconds to think and enter the correct answer in the comments. Pause the video if you need more time to think. Let's take a few seconds to study this situation and choose the correct answer. Situation: at an unregulated intersection with 4 directions of traffic, where there are no traffic lights or signs to regulate traffic, the right-of-way is usually based on the order of arrival. The driver who arrived at the intersection first has the right-of-way and may proceed first. If 2 or more vehicles arrive at the intersection at the same time, the driver on the right has the right-of-way and may proceed first. But in this case, neither vehicle has anyone to their right. However, if one vehicle wants to turn left and the other wants to go straight, the vehicle turning left must yield to the vehicle going straight. In the situation shown in the picture, the blue vehicle, which wants to turn left, must wait for the red vehicle to pass before turning. After the car going straight has passed, the car turning left can continue driving with caution. Therefore, the correct answer is B, the red car. It is important to remember that you should always yield to other drivers when necessary and drive with caution to ensure safety on the road. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and resolving the issue of right-of-way in a situation that occurs very often while driving. If you found this interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel. Please comment below. Would you like to see more challenges like this?